Today we're going to check out the content planner. Now, I'm super excited about this. I'm just going to give you a spoiler alert. I did love this. And another really good point is I think you could make these at home on your own. So I know it looks big and huge, but this is a standard 8.5 by 11. So it's just that it's been flipped sideways, and because it's like a left and right, it seems like it's ginormous. But you could totally do this as a standard thing off of your home printer. So let's talk about that today. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturdays. So we're going to go over the cost of this, how I think you can DIY it yourself at home, and then obviously we'll take a look inside and see what it has. So the content planner is $59.99, and then it did come with a monthly sticker sheet inside, which I didn't realize, or maybe that was part of my order. I wasn't really sure, but this was $13.99 by itself, and then there was another sheet of numbers, and these were $19.99. And this is really because this is an undated planner, and this way, if you don't feel like writing, or maybe you have bad handwriting, you can just use stickers, which even though I have good handwriting, I don't feel like writing 31 days, 12 times over and over again. So I definitely appreciated these. Now, she did a really great job of making sure that she had matching stickers for each of the matching planner styles that she had. She had 3 different colors. I chose the pink and gold because, well, I just thought it was pretty. No other reason, even though they're not my branding colors. And she had matching stickers for the other 2 colors as well. And they all cost the same regardless of what color that you had chosen. Now, how could you do this at home on your own? Like I mentioned, this is 8.5 by 11, so it's a standard size. The interior pages are all black and white. This is a standard, I don't know if you can hear that, it's a chipboard. Now, a chipboard does not have to be printed on. Here's what happens. You buy the chipboard, and they do come in a standard, I think they come in 12 by 12. You could look for an 8.5 by 11, but usually you just cut that yourself. If you have a silhouette or a Cricut, it's going to be able to cut your chipboard. Now, this covering here on top, you could make, this is just a sticker. I know, like, what? It's just a sticker. So you could print a sticker. You could use the Heidi Swap mink foiling and then do the gold foiling on here, put your sticker on here, and then these little corner tabs here, you can order those in bulk too and just swap those on. There is another thing in here. Now, this does have a file pocket folder in here. You could skip the pocket folder, or you could just go ahead and make one with your Cricut or Silhouette and add that in. I think, is there a pocket folder on the back? There's not a pocket folder on the back, so there's just one on the front. So that's how I think you could put this together. The Heidi Swap cinch could then just put all these little holes in here, or quite honestly, you could actually just do a design to have the holes put in by your Cricut, or your Silhouette can put the holes. I believe the Silhouette can cut and put the holes in there for you as well. Probably the Cricut is better now that I think about it for chipboard. And then you can buy these coils by themselves as well. Now, if you don't want to do that, there are many vendors listed inside of Planner Academy. However, just giving you some ideas, because I know a lot of you just want to start small, DIY, maybe not invest a lot, just to see if, making planners is something you want to do. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. It came in this plain brown sort of, I don't even know. It's not a box. It's basically just cardboard that's been bent and wrapped around, I guess, and then taped up. It's so odd to me when people, because it looks like, I think these little corrugated, whatever sort of stripes are just so that you can bend it. Because at first I was like, oh, I need to like strip it off, but that is not the case. All right, here we go. So we have no packing slip, but we have the stickers, which we will look at first. Is that it? No. One more page. Okay. So here are the match your months. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so that we can just take these off. Oh, these are actually pretty thick. Like, they feel pretty sturdy. Let's see, what else do we have? The month, so you have little tab dividers, day off, launch, deadline, and important. And then over here, we just have numbers, which that looks like it would take forever to put down and separate. Can I open this? Why am I finding this so challenging? There we go. All right. So let's see. Okay, so if I wanted to do one, oh, that's not too bad. So they're pretty thick, just like the other ones, which I appreciate. All right, now we have the thing we've been waiting for, which is the content planner. So we have a nice little thank you postcard over here. You made the most powerful and profitable investment to heighten your success. You invested in yourself. All right, from Kat. Okay, so we have some tissue paper that's branded, very cute. And we also have bookmark pages or attach loose notes to your planner. These are cute. How do I open these? There, that's how I open these. They're little paper clips. So I think these were extras. Did I pay for these? I don't think I paid for these. I think these were just included. So let's pop this out. Yeah, there we go. It looks like a little camera, which I guess makes sense because it's about content. Oh, in case you wanted to see the box, it's just empty. Like no decorations or anything. All right, here we go. The content planner. And we got more stickers. Oh, that's crazy. So if I knew these stickers were included, I would not have purchased the other extra ones, but that's fine, whatever. Stick to your plan, Instagram, live, stories, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, email. First I was like, what is that? Little champion thing, blog, record, camera. Yeah, so the thing is, I don't think I would need like 50, 100 sheets of these for all the things that I do, but that's okay. It's probably for someone who has like a more well-rounded social media campaign that does all the different platforms. So we have how to use the content planner, the story, the you hold the power to design your future, filling out the content planner, on your radar. So, oh, that's kind of nice. So June, 4th of July next month, Halloween ideas and collabs. So it kind of gets you trying to prepare ahead of time. July, Christmas, 5 months away, back to school. So I like that. Monthly themes. So what's going on in the actual month. We have 2021 holidays and marketing dates. We have, non-US dates. And calendar year at a glance. Oh, in case you went to Canada, UK, Australia, and New Zealand, which makes sense. This is in English. So those are all the major English-speaking countries that probably order from her. I know that's where I get the majority of my orders. A place for my dreams. And now I think we go into the rinse and repeat section. So this must be your month. And then you have 4 goals for the month. And then you have weekly goals, and then my business growth, start, and so this must be the number of followers, which is, I think, a dangerous thing, right? Like the vanity numbers, it could kill you, right? Just thinking about that. Okay, so Monday through Sunday. I like that the week starts on Monday and ends on a Sunday. So your wins for the week, my next big ideas, and then here we go to a rinse and repeat. So it just goes over and over and over again. So it's a little kind of difficult because some months there are 5 weeks. Some months there are 4 weeks. Some months there are 6 weeks because you got an overlap for the top and the bottom. So that just makes it a little tougher. I don't know what the solution is, to be honest. These are a little different. So I plan to succeed. And then a place for my dreams. My next big ideas, how I plan to succeed. Oh, I see. It just rotates through those 3 different options. A place for my dreams. Yep. And we get all the way to the end, which, yeah, so it's just rinse and repeat. And then a plan to take over the world. We get these. I don't know why. I just don't like the grid pages. I'm a dot grid person, but the grid is just like, I'm repelled by them. Let my imagination run wild. Order your next content planner. So there we go. Plan it, post it, profit. So what did you think? I really liked it. I think it's, again, a great idea because it is undated, and then you can sell stickers, which are super easy to make. And yes, inside of my course in Planner Academy, I teach you how to make planner stickers, and you can put it all together and it can be a complete solution for someone. So, just from a standpoint of, is this something like you would want to create in your own? You can do it at home. It's super easy. Or if you're a user and you're like, at least I'm just watching this video because I was thinking about buying it, I think it's a good buy. I really liked it. I think it is well designed, and I definitely like the stickers, which is really, I am only a fan of the stickers that are made by Bloom Daily Planners, but these stickers are perfect for this particular planner. So they go along with it, and you'd be hard pressed to find planners or stickers that would fit inside of the pre-designated like squares for this planner. All right, well, I hope everyone's having a fabulous day. And remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.